See that? That's what we were working with right here. Broken HDMI port. Taking it apart. It's quite dusty. Clogged a bunch of places. Even right here. So yeah, we'll be cleaning everything out. This is the thermal paste. You can see it's very dry. And dry and brittle. So we'll be replacing that one too.
That's the broken port you're replacing with a new one. Then beneath this speaker, we get that part off. We'll have to do it off camera because I can't get this under the microscope properly. There it is, removed. Nice and filthy. Come here. The unit, put new solder on it now, so you can put the new port on it.
We clean the area now and apply some fresh new solder. Some nice and fresh solder for the new HDMI. Nice and shiny. New port right here. Nice and perfect, fresh new port right here. So yeah, I'll be using the heat gun to put this on here, so I won't be able to show this on camera again because the heat gun doesn't fit here. Just to make things easier, I'm going to thin this port first. Basically just apply some solder here so that it's easier when it get on it. It flows nicely, makes a secure connection. Nice. I have to test them now to make sure they're all intact and properly connected. Nice. All of them are steady, none of them move. Means it's good. I'm gonna solder the 4 mounting points here of the port. It's time to assemble this back. All dusted out right here. New thermal paste on it. Alright, here it is. It works.